Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Vasily Built for Speed. Long time no see. Today, if you guys remember this car, it's a little bit different video. This is a 2014 Grand Cherokee Eco Diesel. It has a 3-liter diesel engine. I bought it basically brand new, and we still have it. It has like 130,000 miles or something around those lines. But today, we're doing a mod to it. We're doing brakes. We found a manufacturer. They manufactured them for us. They put even the logo, our logo on it. As you can see right here, built for speed on fronts and backs. Right here, these are the 6-piston calipers, the 400mm rotors in the front, 380mm rotors in the back. I'll show you the back ones in a minute, but basically it's a whole kit. Funny part is it says Brembo everywhere, engraved here, so almost makes me question like where are they getting everything. Like even the boxes say Brembo on them. I don't even know. It makes me kind of question the things like where is this a manufacturer, the same manufacturer that Brembo gets their stuff from? But anyways, yeah, that's why we basically wanted to, because since the beginning, since we got this car, it says diesel engine, so this is a pretty heavy car. And since I even had it and now my brother drives it, we had it for a while. The first thing we noticed was literally the braking power. It just was lacking. It was big time. You kind of felt that it actually needs the actual upgraded brakes. The SRT has a bigger brakes, the Trackhawk has bigger brakes, but these ones do not. So now basically a little bit past 100,000 miles, we were gonna do basically probably the calipers were gonna be due soon, and then rotors and stuff. So it's like we picked these up for a really great deal. So we got the 2-piece rotors, the bracket. It's basically a whole kit, steel braided lines, so it's like the whole thing. So we just basically, that's the fitment here and the steel line, and then there's a bleed valve here for the brake fluid on both sides. There's 3 pistons here, 3 here. And there's the pads. The clearance on the pads is pretty close. We had to we shaved down just a little bit on the metal, on the metal part of the pad here, simply because we wanted just a little bit more space. But we're gonna talk to them, see if they can make a bracket to move the caliper a little bit more away all around from the actual rotor, because we have like 1/4 inch space here still, so we can actually shift it. So we have space for that, so we'll see. But yeah, these look amazing. This is a huge upgrade for us on this Jeep. And then I'm gonna show you guys the other side. Basically same thing, same exact scenario here, steel braided line, the whole setup. So yeah, this is again 400mm rotors, and then in the back these are 380mm rotors, 4-piston calipers here, 6 in the front. Same basically scenario, steel braided lines, new lines, bracket. As you can see right here, this is black. I know it's hard to see. This is just kind of unexpected video, so I just kind of want to show you guys that this is definitely if any of you guys actually want to buy one of these, we can source them for you guys. You guys can message me either on Instagram or an email or something. We can probably hook you guys up. But yeah, this is really good, really nice looking setup. 380mm rotors, and then you can see our logo here. Really beautiful setup. I'm really actually surprised at the quality that this is made. And this is the same thing. We had to shave off. Let me turn on the flashlight for you guys. You can see it's really close, kind of a little bit to the rotor, so we had to kind of shave off a little bit of the metal part of the pad. But yeah, we're gonna be contacting them to maybe same scenario here. We still have like 1/8 of an inch we can move away from the rotor. I kind of rather prefer that, so we'll see. I will contact them and see what they say. But we may be moving with the bracket, replacing the bracket, that kind of shifts a little bit away. But right now we're clear, we're good. We kind of shaved a little bit off of it, but yeah, it looks great. And that's our upgraded shocks that we did, 2-inch lift on this Jeep, so if you guys remember. But yeah, looks beautiful. This is how it looks. Man, the video doesn't do it justice, but I'll post some on my Instagram. But man, with the wheels on, this looks sick. Let me show you guys a side shot. Man, that looks beautiful. That's a huge upgrade, not only in braking power but looks. Look at this, dude. This thing looks amazing, and these wheels clear it. We still get like basically more than 1/2 inch, probably like 3/4 of an inch. This is a 20-inch rim. so it clears it more than enough. That looks amazing. This is gonna be a huge upgrade. So yeah, if any of you guys are actually interested in these brakes, let us know. We can try to hook you guys up with the set, front or rear. We can actually order it for you guys. We don't really store it. Obviously, we're not a shop that sells it, but we found a manufacturer. Like I said, we're testing it. We're gonna be testing it. We'll make sure that actually works good, and we'll give you guys an update in the future also. So yeah, this is very affordable, not even half of the price of Brembos or any of those brakes out there. So yeah, this is the back one looking good. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to show you guys what we're doing with this Jeep. It's still running, it's still doing good. Got new brakes on it, a new brake set for a very affordable price. There's people that are selling this on eBay already. We found them, they're selling it for a pretty good price. We definitely could do a lot better pricing on them. But thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions, comment in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. But other than that, see you next time. Peace.